Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a baseline. Run a ping and jitter test to your game server so you know the problem magnitude. Next, pick a VPN that supports low-latency protocols like WireGuard or UDP. Those reduce overhead. Install the client on your gaming device or set it up on your router to cover the whole LAN. Once done, make sure to enable any split tunneling options so only game traffic uses the VPN. This minimizes added hops and preserves local bandwidth. Now you refine the connection. Test several VPN endpoints, aiming for the one with the fewest extra hops and the lowest reported ping to your game region. Configure the client to use WireGuard or UDP and avoid TCP because TCP's retransmission can spike latency. Adjust MTU and packet size conservatively. Too large causes fragmentation. Once configured, enable split tunnel so only the game uses the VPN, and pause cloud syncs and updates to prevent bandwidth contention during sessions. Finish by validating results. Run the same ping tests and play a quick match to confirm lower latency and smoother packets. If latency increased, don't panic. Test a direct non-VPN connection, try different VPN endpoints, or switch protocols back. Sometimes routing makes VPN worse. Make small incremental changes and keep logs of results so you can identify what helped. If problems persist, contact the VPN support team and, as a last resort, revert router or client changes to restore a known good configuration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.